All right, cool. And we are back for another episode of Chainsaw Man. This episode is, I believe, episode 4, and it's called Rescue. So last episode, kind of a almost a cliffhanger. Um, Power, her cat got eaten, and then because she was so depressed about her cat getting eaten, allowed herself to get eaten, and then Denji, because he couldn't bear to see two perfectly good pair of breasts get eaten, he decided to kill the bat. Like I say this and it sounds bad, but that's exactly what the reasoning is, right? Um and so I want to say he killed the bat. And I thought the episode was going to end with him freeing power, but the bat kind of just fell and then it sort of cut to black, right? And so I'm assuming in this episode is probably gonna start with like him just freeing power from his dead stomach, and hopefully the cat's alive. We don't know. It was kind of almost exclusively about them two, sort of just like because Denji, when he first saw her, all he saw was a pair of breasts, right, on an attractive woman, and so he kind of thought it was like, yeah, this could be pretty cool, but he soon figured out that her personality is kind of just like over the top, right? And so it's like, you know what, I don't think I can vibe with this. And so he was kind of conflicted between like his sort of shallow preferences and his more so just like how much he actually does care about like a person's character, I guess. Those two conflicting ideals of his. But ultimately he decided to save her for like, I mean, like, if it's for a good reason, we still don't know. We just know that he jumped into action. But that's what we're here to react to. So let us see what goes on in episode 4, Rescue of the Chainsaw Man. Let's do this. We're still gonna be watching in sub because the dub was just so bad. Birds. Oh, okay. More of a power in the past. Raging nudist power. What are you doing to his rear end, dude? Yeah, aren't you gonna give your cat none? I actually don't know if cats can eat meat. I'm assuming they could.
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
命は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃん。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？ニャーコを助けるため？バカみたいな理由じゃ。
How though? How did
血が
that
好
hurt
き
her?
じゃん。
Isn't she
匂いも
incredibly powerful?
死を感じるのは
Her name literally is
そ
power.
れで
How
そ
does
れで最
tripping
近初め
hurt
て分
her?
かったんじゃ。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
What happened? Oh yeah, cool. She's alive. Just like we thought. The episode's gonna end with, yep, yep, yep. Called it. Why, hello there.
なぜわしを助けた？
Why did you save me?
何を殺そうと
We
した
had
の？
a deal. That's why. There you go. Do with them what you
バカみ
will.
たいな理由じゃな。
Oh no?
騙してすまんかった。
Freaking
ニャ
like
ー
to
コは
see?
助かったからな。 胸は揉ませてやるわ。
Do it, man. Like, not even for any perverse reason, just because, like, after everything, that was like the deal. Just like, what in the hell? What the hell? Who sniped him, and for what reason? What the hell happened? Why does it have humongous udders, dude? What is that thing? Can you move?
指も動かせん。ヤコを連れて逃げたくれ。
Wait, why can't she move? He literally swallowed her whole, like without chewing on her or anything like that. Hey, okay, cool. So there's limits to what he can do. Awesome. Okay, I like that.
やっと見つけたのに。あんたでしょ？コウモリちゃん殺したの。私の男だったのに。
How'd you even hear about that? He literally just killed him.
よく見ると可愛い顔。好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
後ろの奴らは
殺す。
And it's settled. Yeah, dude, for real. Like, come on. Oh, shit. Man, I'm a little confused now. I was kind of applauding the power dynamic here, but so he's too weak to summon chainsaws, but he's strong enough to be flung through fully concrete buildings.
が胸を揉むために。
And strong enough to do this? So then, is it just like a plot device when he can't summon his chainsaws?
嘘でしょ？
Is this a joke?
こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの？コウモリは私と一緒に人間をすべて食べる夢を見ていた。
Ah, what a wonderful
無謀だ
dream.
けど崇高で素敵な夢。
A pipe dream, but a
それを
noble
子犬程度
one.
にぶち殺
Okay.
された。殺すのはもったいない顔だけど。
I've always dreamed of of like performing mass
目もうまい
genocide.
死ねっかよ。
くだらない。低俗な欲望を持つ奴に殺されたものね。かわいそう、コウモリ。
バカみたいな理由じゃな。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
He's like, wait a second. Is this not a noble thing? Oh, please don't tell me the chainsaws are gonna be like a Deku thing, where whenever he gets mad, he just gets OP. Don't tell me that's what this is gonna be like. That's literally the reason I stopped watching that series in season 2, man. Yep. Nice. Wow. So what is she? Just like intestines or what? Where did that snipe come from? And where is literally everyone in the city? You're getting quite a pounding, aren't you, man?
悪魔じゃ。
Hey, Power, ain't you my teammate? Can't you help me a little bit? Interesting camera angle. Wow. Nice.
いただきまー
Oh, Aki.
コン
Huh? What the fuck?
こいつ
あ
は昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし
What the hell? um. Oh, who the hell? Oh, I'm assuming they're part of the bureau.
駆除確認
Wait, what the
新
fuck?
人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導
Wait, is that his only ability? He can summon a humongous
悪魔の警
fox?
戒をお願いします
Can he only summon the head?
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取
Like, ow, ow. That's one fat cat. I guess it's not a scrawny little thing anymore, huh? Overfed it a bit.
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ
Thank you.
輸血したらくっついたらしい本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so used to anime that like I just assumed he would regenerate it. Holy crap. Okay, so he doesn't regrow his limbs. Good to know.
ハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う
Wait, so then does that mean if he gets an arm chopped off, it can't become a chainsaw?
力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に
Like
食わ
he's
せる契約
down one chainsaw?
今回は皮膚を食わした
Oh wait, he just explained his power. He just explained his power. I
狐に
gotta.
食わせる契
In
約
exchange for power, I offer a bit of
今回
my.
は皮膚を食わ約している力
In exchange for power, I offer a bit of my body as
を借りる
food.
代わりに体の一部
Oh,
を狐
okay.
に食わせる契約だ今回は皮膚を食わした
So he takes some damage whenever he summons a thing.
悪魔は常に人の死を望むそれは魔人も同じだパワーはいいやつだぜ監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されているそれにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていたお前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているなさあどうでしたかな
He's like, allegedly. Allegedly.
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェンソーが頭に刺さって。
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分されるだが死者も出なかったし
Bro, just give him the damn apple. What are you doing?
今回は見逃してやる
Jeez.
俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。俺はお前より先輩だし、社会正義も持っているつもりだ。
Yeah, problem is you
俺
weren't
の言うことを
anywhere
聞いていれば
around.
お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。どうだ、分かったら返事。
Yup, it's an apple.
頭に入れとい
I
てや
can't-
な
Had to smell it to be
安心して
sure.
くれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい、俺、マジでやっからさ。どーんと期待しといてくれ。
Finger
とりあえず
guns.
敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
本当にいいのかな。
So she knew Denji would stand up for
この
her?
ガジンちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は見逃したアキカンの責任だぞ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。あくまでも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵、利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Does he have to go like this? To summon the fox? It looked like he was aiming it. Not. Oh, okay. I'm assuming Makima, and he's trying to make himself. Oh, got it. Yup. Hell yeah.
失礼します。
Yeah, dude. Gotta make sure I look clean. All right, Aki. All right. Very. I like that little. Yeah, that was nice. I like that a lot.
住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。
Gun
報告は以
flash?
上です。
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに
Like a
遠くまで行
gun
っちゃったんだ
demon?
ね。
Because people are afraid of
奴らは
guns?
信じがたいほどのバカですから。
Demon devil. Devil. A gun devil?
違反行為だけど、
Gun
今
flesh.
回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできました。
Flesh.
不問にしてよろしいかと。
わかりました。
Understood.
失礼します。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった？
Oh, you
デ
lightening
ンジ
up?
君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
まさか。
I doubt it. They've only
何も
spent
変
a
わっ
day
てないです
together.
よ。
Oh no, they live together. They live together. My bad. My bad. I hate that they put sneakers on these dudes with suits, man. Oh, Aki's morning routine. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's morning. It's morning. Coffee time? Yep. Yep. Gotta moisturize. Make sure I stay looking young. Mm-hmm. Oh, he grinds his own coffee. For why, though? There's literally no benefit other than, I guess they find pleasure in it. Oh, it hurts to see. And he's just gonna read the morning paper and witness life happen around him. Nice. I like that. All right, Aki. Fuck. So, I was gonna say Deku. Denji triggers his anxiety a little bit, or his stress, which is why I'm assuming he lit up a cig. It's like I need a fucking drag right now. Why does everyone use knives like that? Haven't you guys heard of a potato peeler?
これ
やり
Power? Yeah, it has to be power.
悪魔か
Jesus shit.
おうおうおう
Mother.
狭い家じゃのう
Why?
早川くんちの部屋
Now the
一つ
whole damn door
パワ
needs
ー
to
ち
be
ゃんに貸してほ
replaced.
しいの
What is your problem,
君は
man?
デンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか
私が早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ
Ain't no way you can send like a young woman to live with two young
ず
men
っとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね
and expect no tension at all.
そう心配しなくてもパワーちゃん
Powers that
いい
she would
子にでき
behave
るって言ってたから
because we can trust her, right? What's wrong with the
そ
food?
れは嫌いじゃん
Oh, oh, oh,
野菜を投げるな
oh.
てめえ野菜作った
I'm
のが
sorry.
失礼って思わねえのかよ
Yes.
悪魔
Did you grow up with food on your table every night? Hell no. Hell no, you don't waste food, man.
くせえんだよ
Hell no.
風呂はたまにし
Oh
か
my
入らんのじゃ
god.
入れ
くせえんだよ
なんちゃうなら人間は先生
Oh, I cannot stand
じゃん
seeing people wear these. I'm with you guys. Oh,
突然来て暴れ回りやがってよクソも流せねえのか悪魔は野菜も残すし
oh. You there?
おいクソ悪魔てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ
Oh my god. What? Oh, it's time.
あ
約束だったじゃろ胸を揉ませてやるから
The plot
Mommy.
thickens. Did she just flex her breasts? All right. Man, this is what I'm saying. You cannot expect a young woman to go live with two young
嬉しい
men.
じゃろ
Oh,
揉め揉め
something's gonna happen and he's not gonna do it. But in real life,
じゃが条件が
nothing would happen and everything
胸
would
を
happen.
揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ
三もみ
Three, there were no
都を
limits
助けたの
set.
が1揉み
Like set.
コウモ
You
リを
know?
殺したので2揉みそしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3揉みじゃ胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃがうぬの頑張りに報いての3揉みありがたく揉むんじゃな
Just do it, man. None of this like, oh, I'm a good guy. Like, bro, you ain't a bad guy for like. Oh, yeah, I was like, what just happened? Okay, so first things first, he just has to at this point, and not for any like underhanded sort of reason or anything like that. You're not a bad guy for doing it. There's nothing bad about a man wanting to touch a woman's breasts, right? That's just how it is. Like so like none of this like, oh, I'm a good guy. Next episode, I'm not going to do this. Like I've changed, right? No, 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 no. He better get a handful and he better not feel guilty about it. And she better not feel guilty about it. It's just like the deal they made. Okay, so fuck that. Just when that's done. You don't waste food. Oh my god, dude. Like Denji, he made a mess, but at least he enjoyed the food. This girl's just coming in and just like throwing the food away and no, 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 no. Like, come on. Like, I'm already having a hard enough time giving a crap about this character now. Like, she's not done anything to make me like her so far. Like, I liked her when she first came in because she had that smugness about her, and I like that. I do like smug anime characters. They are fun, especially when they get humbled. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good potential like character development there. She has nothing going on for her. Like, oh my god. Aki, I'm kind of wondering if he has to do the little thwip in order to summon the fox. It is cool to see what he so I guess that kind of explains why he had no fighting ability at all when he just kind of like let Denji sort of wail on his nuts and just stood there and took it. So he probably has no fighting ability, and the only thing he can do is do that, right? Which is cool. I think it's really cool because he carries that sword, right? And so the sword he probably doesn't even know how to use. Like it's probably just like a deterrent, right? Like I just carry this because I don't know how to fight, but if people see this, they'll think I know how to fight. What would be awesome if it was like a super dull, shitty blade in there too, just because like I'm never gonna use this because I don't know how to use this. It's all for show. That would be so awesome. Like that would be such a cool character trait for him. Um, I did like that we saw a little morning routine from him. Dude's just trying to enjoy life, right? He's a young man, just like Denji is. He just goes about his desires a different way. We saw him get a little fixed up, straighten his tie, just do what he needed to do before he went to talk to Makima. Well, shoot, all right, all right, all right. Let me just make sure. Oh, cool. Aki is a good character, man. He's a good character. Probably the best character so far. So I hope we get more about him. Um, Makima is quickly becoming probably the most boring, bland character. She's just sort of becoming like that, like, oh, I sit behind, like, I'm an ominous, powerful thing, and just, I just throw orders. I don't know. It's an anime thing, you know. Uh, I just don't really care about her at all at this point. She came in bland episode 1. We got some more in episode 2, and then it just like nothing, nothing. Um, we got a brief glimpse at the rest of the team. I'm assuming I didn't catch any names. I didn't catch any abilities. I think it's two women and a man. Maybe so if the pattern continues, since they got just a brief introduction, next episode is going to be dedicated to them, or we're going to get like a heavy exposure of them in next episode. Mm, but for now, I think the plot has settled. They're probably going to start a new storyline at this point. Uh, I don't get any sense of a main conflict, like a main through line. So far it's just kind of just like vignettes going on, but I'm sure something will come up eventually because there's a lot of stuff going on in this world. Like where the heck did the civilians go when that humongous tentacle thing appeared? Like I know they probably evacuated a little bit when when the bat was there, but you would assume like police would be there, right? um, I don't know, but I'm still enjoying the series. The animation is crazy good, crazy good. Even like the choppy bits, like where Denji, I keep wanting to call him Deku just because I'm kind of worried that he's gonna be like one of those when I get pissed, I get powerful sort of things. Um, but like when Denji was screaming, he was kind of like going frame by frame. That was cool too. I like that. But for now, that's all for this episode. So tune in for some more Chainsaw Man. Tune in for some more reactions, like and subscribe. Also check out my Twitch channel. Just had an awesome stream. Just had an awesome, awesome stream today. So I'm in such a good mood still. It was so crazy. Um, but check out my Twitch channel if you need some background noise while you do chores and all that kind of stuff. That's what I'm here for. I got you. But for now, my name is Adam. Thank you for checking out Jupiter Machine. And as always, steal credit cards, hurt your loved ones, plant some flowers. Happy holidays, everybody. Until next time, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.